Hi crafty people. In this video, I'm going to be talking about an abbreviation, Approx. Approx stands for approximately. It can come up in a few ways, such as leave a tail approximately 6 inches long. So that would be approximately 6 inches, and I can cut it. You can use a tape measure, you can use a ruler. I personally sell these measuring tape bracelets that are inch based, so I can see this is pretty much 6 inches. You might also encounter it when a pattern specifies how much yarn you're going to need, and it says approximately 10 grams or this many yards. When it does that, I would recommend always having a little bit extra, as well as the tail. If it says you're going to need this length of tail for finishing up a project like seaming or something like that, leave a little bit extra in any case, just to be safe, so that you're not playing yarn chicken at the end of your project. So that is approximately.